Bihar police had said in the affidavit filed in Supreme Court that Rhea Chakraborty's plea to transfer case from Bihar not maintainable. She wanted Sushant Singh Rajput's money. The affidavit states that Rajput's father, who had filed the complaint in Bihar, had alleged that Chakraborty had the sole intention to grab crores of rupees from the deceased actor.
The Bihar police has stated before the Supreme Court that Rhea Chakraborty's plea seeking transfer of the FIR filed in the Sushant Rajput suicide case from Patna to Mumbai is not maintainable. In its affidavit filed in the Apex Court, the state police has averred that Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure (CRPC) cannot be invoked for transferring investigation from one state to another. Further, the affidavit avers that Chakraborty has not mentioned anything in the transfer plea to substantiate bias against her except for the general and bald allegation that the complaint has been lost due to influence of the informant of the case. The affidavit states that Rajput's father, who had filed the complaint in Bihar, has alleged that Chakraborty had the sole intention to grab crores of rupees from the deceased actor. It states the deceased actor wanted to leave film industry and do organic farming in Coorg. However, the petitioner stated blackmailing the deceased actor by saying that she will give his medical report to the media and prove him mad, after which he will not get any kind of work. Though the Bihar IPS officer, who was forcibly quarantined on 2nd of August, was released this morning. The affidavit says the quarantine was an afterthought on part of Mumbai police. The Bihar police further states that the investigation before the Mumbai police is only with regard to a case of unnatural death under Section 174 CRPC, which has very limited scope. Such an investigation cannot be categorized under information relating to commission of cognizable offence within the meaning and import of Section 154 CRPC, the affidavit states. Earlier this week, a single judge bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy had posted the transfer petition filed by Chakraborty for the next week and had sought replies from the Mumbai and the Bihar police on the issue. Mumbai police was asked to update the court on the status of the investigation. The genesis of the case lies in the complaint made by deceased actor Sushant Singh Rajput's father to Bihar police, where he alleged that Chakraborty is guilty of abetting his son's suicide on 14th of June. Chakraborty has now been named by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the FIR lodged to investigate Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Bureau Report.